Hey there, fellow deal hunters. Welcome back to the channel where we make your shopping smarter and easier. Today, we're diving into how to redeem Amazon Prime Visa points. If you've got an Amazon Prime Visa card from Chase, you're sitting on a goldmine of rewards just waiting to be used. Whether you want to score free stuff on Amazon or get cash back, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have your Chase account set up and your Amazon Prime Visa card linked. It's super important because that's where the magic happens. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. You can do this through the Chase mobile app or on their website. Once you're in, head over to the Rewards section. It's usually front and center on your dashboard. If you can't find it, just use the search bar. Chase makes it pretty straightforward. Step 2. Check your points balance. This is key. You'll see how many points you've accumulated from your purchases. Remember, for every dollar you spend on Amazon or with Whole Foods, you earn points, typically 2% back on those and 1% on everything else. Now, for step 3. Choose your redemption option. You can redeem points for statement credits, which act like cashback on your card, or directly for Amazon gift cards. If you're redeeming for Amazon, select that option and enter the amount you want to use. It's that simple. One quick tip. Always redeem in multiples that make sense for your needs, say, 1,000 points for a $10 gift card, to maximize value. And if you run into any issues, like points not showing up, double-check your account or contact Chase support. They're usually helpful. Wrapping this up, redeeming your Amazon Prime Visa points is a breeze once you know the ropes, and it can save you a ton on your next shopping spree. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy redeeming. See you in the next one.